What's up, guys? Here's a short video on how to replace a universal day-night mirror, or what is commonly known as a rearview mirror, on any modern day car, especially US made cars. First thing first, you want to take out the old mirrors. Some of the old mirrors have a plug connected to it, so you want to definitely take that plug out. Easy to dislodge from the mirror. It plugs right into there, and sometimes it may come without a plug. If it comes without a plug, if that's the case, that's cool too. As you can see, this mirror had it, so I'm going to get rid of it and replace it with this one. You pick it up at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, or any of your local automobile stores that sell parts. I think I paid like $14 or $15 for it. Pretty good mirror. It comes with a universal magnet. You probably won't need it. Most of the magnets pretty much fit on the same car. And then it has a screw there. It looked like a Phillip head screw. What I did was I started the screw. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to simply just slide it right onto the magnet that was already there. Let me change. We'll try one hand installation and see if that works. So this is a universal mirror. Like I said, I picked it up at O'Reilly's for $14.99. I believe they sell the same mirrors at AutoZone and Advanced Auto Part. So basically, this mirror will slide right up onto the magnet that was already in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So the mirror is fitting nice and snug on the magnet that was already in the vehicle. I'm just going to take a Phillip screwdriver and tighten up that bolt. Give it a couple of turns. And there you have it. It's installed. It's very tight, very snug. It has the nighttime daylight clip right there. $14.99, you can't beat that. And if your mirror came with a plug, you can just simply tuck it up under the roof liner of your vehicle. That's what I did. Easy installation, $15 versus going to a dealership and paying $200 or $300. Hope this video was helpful. Until the next time, see you later.